Got this old weed eater ride mower. It's like an 18.5 horsepower. I'm gonna try to turn it into an off-road buggy. The deck is shot on this thing. You can see it's all rusted out. The rest of it I think is pretty good. I got the cushion for the seat. It should have a pretty decent transaxle in it to do this because it was like the 6-speed. It wasn't one of the variable belt things. But it's been sitting for like 8 years. So we'll see what it takes to get it running. If it doesn't get it running, I got another motor that's on a Troy build. Yeah, but it doesn't have the good transaxle on it to make a off-road mower, because it's got the variable drive with the pulleys and stuff in it. So let's get this deck off this thing and we'll see what the motor looks like, what it's going to take to get it going. It looks like really there's a bunch of cotter keys holding the deck on. Push pins. It's like these. Get all them clips out of there. Okay, there's the deck out of it. This has got to be one of the worst decks I've ever seen, but this motor is like a 1992 motor. I got it used years ago, rebuilt the deck and used it for years, rebuilt it again, then finally it just rusted out. But this thing's got some pretty good ground clearance. We'll pick up this stuff and see what it takes. I know this thing needs brake work. Let's see what we can do about the motor now. Yeah. There's the motor. Got a Briggs & Stratton on it, 2-cylinder. This thing always ran good. It's not locked up, so it turns over. Tank is dry as a bone. Actually, there's pieces of the cap down inside there, the gasket in it. We'll get them pieces out before we do anything, but doesn't look too bad. Let's see.
choke cable is stuck. How long that cable is. It's coming around there to the front. I'm probably gonna have to get another choke cable for it, but yeah, well, I gotta get a battery put in it. That might be another night, so then we'll get back to it. Now let's pull this old battery out. I'm sure it's no good. As rusty as these bolts are, we'll put some new ones back in it. Have to sand them cables a little bit so they're all corroded. Battery's not too hard to get to. Yeah, the date's messing off of it, but I know this thing is old. But we'll get us another battery. Take it out of my other mower maybe, but that's all for tonight.